These fruit mold videos are going insanely viral right now. Some of them are getting over 80 million views. And today, I'll show you exactly how to create these using AI. Watch this. I'll walk you through the full process step by step. First, go to ChatGPT. Now go to Explore GPTs and search for fruit mold generator. Open it and start a chat. Once you run it, it will generate 10 viral video ideas instantly. Pick any idea you like. I'll go with the sixth one. Now ChatGPT will give you an image prompt and a full video prompt. Copy the image prompt. Now open TopView AI. You'll find the link in the description. Go to the text-to-image section. Select the model Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt here. Now choose your aspect ratio and choose resolution and number of outputs. Hit generate, and within seconds, your images are ready. Pick the best one and save it. Now let's turn it into a video. Go to Image to Video in TopView AI. Select the model Cdance 2.0. Upload your generated image as frame 1. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it here. Choose your video duration and video quality, and hit generate. Within seconds, your video is ready. Take a look. It looks satisfying, realistic, and highly engaging. Exactly the kind of content that goes viral. Save it. That's how you can create viral fruit mold videos using TopView AI. Link is in the description. And for more AI tutorials like this, subscribe to Revron.